Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. Muhammad Shelby here. Welcome to video number 11 of 1 Minute Activities, a series which gives teachers ideas for fun activities for the students to practice English. Today's activity needs no preparation and only a whiteboard and marker. It's called Fathers and Daughters. It helps students practice complaints, which I hope not against us teachers, and questions as well. It needs 30 to 40 minutes to complete, and learners need to be young adults at an intermediate level of English or above. Procedures. 1. Write a list of relatives across the top of the whiteboard. For example, father, mother, daughter, son, sister, brother. 2. Give the class an example of a real personal complaint. For example, I don't like it when my mother gives my personal phone number to strangers. Or, I wish my father wouldn't keep buying my children too many or too much candy. Or, if only my son would study more. Now 3. Elicit more such complaints about members of their families from the class. Write the best of these on the whiteboard. When you have a good selection of complaints, divide the class into groups. Each group chooses one complaint and exemplifies it with a short role play. You will probably need to help groups with this, so give them example situations if they are struggling. For example, a daughter comes home after midnight to find mother and father waiting. Now the kids have to use their imagination. Each group then performs a role play, and after each performance, the rest of the class questions the characters. Why did the mother get so angry? After the questions and answer session, the whole class helps the group to rewrite the role play as if the situation occurred within a perfect family. The new role play is performed for the whole class. Now, here are some notes. This activity can be very sensitive. So to depersonalize the criticism, it's worth trying to keep the students to their roles as much as possible during the exercise. But if they wish to say something as themselves, don't forbid it. Also, if you have a class with a wide age range, try to ensure that the older people play younger roles and vice versa. Another thing, with more advanced classes, the material produced by this exercise can often be used for further discussion. For example, which examples are the most common in your culture? Or how can these problems be dealt with from a religious perspective? Quite a long activity, I have to admit, but one that students can relate to and enjoy. Hopefully you enjoyed it too. If you use it in your classroom, please let us know in the comments how it was, and share this video with your friends to benefit them. If you'd like to get more of these ideas, please use the hashtag 1MinuteActivities. I love you all, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new activity, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.